Top things to remember when you are becoming a freelancer. A misconception is that freelancing is easier than a traditional job. Freelance work is still work. In all honesty, freelance work may even be harder in terms of individual responsibility at least than regular work. This presentation will reveal the top things that you need to remember when you are starting a freelance business. Firstly, you need to remember that success takes time. High demand for your services may not happen overnight. The important thing is not to be discouraged and not to give up. You may have to readjust your marketing or alter the locations of your promotions. Building a solid client base can be challenging, but perseverance is key. You should make sure that there is a demand for your services and ensure that you are promoting yourself in the correct places in order to meet your target audience. You also need to remember that you are in control. Freelance is one of those things where you get back what you put in. If you dedicate yourself to structuring your business properly and using good time management skills, you will be successful. You are in control of everything, and while this is one of the biggest positives of being a freelancer, it is also one of the negatives. There's no one to blame but yourself. If you put in the time and effort, you will be able to reap the rewards. You need to be able to pitch yourself. It is not enough to just have a website listing your services. You need to advocate for your business and seek out clients. Being able to pitch yourself and outline what you can do for potential clients is something that sets good freelancers apart from the rest. You should learn to advocate for yourself and seek out clients. You do not have to wait for them to come to you. Once successful, your business can be scalable. As your business grows, you may find yourself able to hire employees or outsource elements of your work. A freelance business does not have to be a single employee. Once your workload increases, you may choose to hire a team. You can change your business as you please. If you wish to change your niche, you can do so. If you want to scale back your working hours, you can do so. It is all up to you. The successes and failures of your freelance business depend entirely on you, your work ethic, and your goals. You will need to do a lot of research. You will need to understand your service, your industry, your competition, as well as understanding how to run a freelance business. Research is the best way to ensure that you are clear on everything relevant to your business. By keeping these things in mind as you proceed with your freelance career, you will be able to make the most of it. The most important thing to remember, however, is that you are in control of the success of your freelance enterprise. This means that you should not just proceed in doing something that is not working in the hope that it will one day. Update your strategies and improve your content. With freelance, you get back what you put in, so make sure that you put in the work and give your business the best chance of success.